May bagong toy! Hey! Ano yun? Ano yun? Hey! Hey! Ito na! Yay! Ito pa! Oh! Ay, ay, ay. Asan yun? Isa, ayan o. Ay. Ito na. Ah! Toing, toing. Oy, oy, oy. Stuck na. Hello, si Vulkan.
Hindi ba yung gulong, ma?
Oh, may gulong siya na merong ano sa loob, parang bola. Mas gusto nila yung gulong. Ano?
Ano bang gulong?
Isa lang.
Ganda na sa'yo, Ronda.
Oo. Ito, ito. Ito, oh. Ito, Ronda, oh. Ay, 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 Diyos ko po. Ay. Ay. Oh, tag-isa kayo. Ayan. Ito, oh. Gusto nila nag-aagawan sila.
Ganun talaga sa'yo eh.
Ako, sana wag naman nilang masira ito. Matibay sana. Diyos ko po. Ah. Oy, oy, oy. Ay, kiss me. Here, here, here. Pabalik na sa loob. Oh, halika na. Oo. Huwag na lumabas. Tired potatoes. Very tired? Very tired? Yeah. Very tired? Very tired. Very tired, oh? Come on, drink up.
Are you following me? I need to make sure you're not just doing this to stay close to me. Sean.
I want my own life. I want a life that I can control. I know if I stay. Too much stuff. You have too much stuff.
which includes kids.
I told you I was willing to not have kids.
You regret that decision one day.
I won't. You will.
Ay, nangyari yan?
You're just too decent to think it, but you will.
So what? We all have regrets. I wanted to play third base for the Astros.
But the same, that is a child's dream. This is your life. This is my life, and it'd be more devastating to be resented by you than to have my heart break it.
A few moments later.
Morning, Vulkan. Ganda naman ng pag... Ay, tumayo na. Ay, kung ganda ng pagkakaupo mo, ah.